Hi guys, welcome back to It's Chef Dwight. Today I'm gonna give you a short video, freshly caught porgies. Stuff it with all these goodies and bake them in foil paper. I'm gonna throw in some noodle. I'm just gonna mix up everything in this dish. And like how I'm adding the noodle, you know, I'm not gonna add too much seasoning. Some garlic powder, not a lot. Then a little Maggi seasoning. And I add the black pepper. So now I'm gonna add a few sticks of butter. Well, not sticks, but spoonful. And now I'm going to be rubbing up everything, combining, and just crush out the butter. I have pepper in this, guys. What I put is pepper, onion, scallion, pumpkin, carrots, okra. Did I miss anything? Bell pepper. So now that everything is being incorporated, make sure your hands are washed, and thyme is there as well. You see that? I'm gonna miss some at the side. Everything mixed up. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be stuffing the fish. Alright guys, so I dabbed a little seasoning on the fish. Now it's time to get the foil paper and stuff them. So I'm going to be rubbing the butter on the foil and put the fish on it. Put a piece of the butter in the gill and inside of the belly as well. Ready for the stuffing. Guys, it's difficult to use one hand and stuff, so I'm gonna do most of the stuffing off camera, and I'm gonna place some of the vegetable also around it. Alright guys, so stuffing inside the fish, and also on top. At this time you can add some crackers on it, but I probably put crackers on one and do the rest regular. Put on 5 crackers on this one. I'm gonna fold it up. Guys, this one is stuffed to capacity. Look how thick it is. This is the second one. And the third one without crackers. Doing this one on my stove grill top. No, it's kind of small, guys, but watch out, it's gonna work. So join me when it's in the finishing stages and you'll see the end result. Steaming up, guys, steaming up. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Woo!